Welcome to Omori part 22, I believe. After like messing up my parts with I'm an idiot, I'm pretty sure getting 19 mixed up with said 18 again for some reason. We're back in the last resort. We figure out something all the way at the top. Because remember, we went up all the way to the top to see if we get trashed, and then we forgot something, which was a huge bra moment because we actually need this. It's very important. How far is it, bro? Is it? Where is it? What? Okay, hold on. I am missing something. I'm actually missing something really huge. Because I know where it is. I found it before, but why can't I find it again? Also, my nose is like very stuffy, so that's why my voice might sound a little... Oh, I'm in the wrong area. I'm such a dingus. Yeah, never mind. We don't actually... It's not in this area at the moment. Like the huge idiot I am, I completely just forgot to go to where it's supposed to be. Awesome. My nose is insanely stuffy. It's just like, I don't know if that's protecting my voice or not. I'm just like, blah. Okay, so now we can go to... I think we can go to, because we've been to floor 3. I didn't have anything. We can go to the first floor. Because we gotta go get something outside, and then come back inside to transform it into something. Now since we're Audrey, we can actually go to the girls' bathroom, I think. Yo! Call. You're on the wall, and I dubbed the cutest one on the wall. This is so cute. Wholesome. Yes, toilet ramen always comes through. I actually never went there before, so that's actually really cool. There is something we gotta get, though. Right outside the door. Oh, never mind. We're gonna have a cutscene. Woo! The gang is back. My voice is... my nose is just so stuffy. High five, everyone. He just goes up to the receptionist and the gator people. So, does anyone remember how we ended up here? You know, I had the strangest dream. There we were, all of us falling down an endless black hole. And then next thing I know, I'm setting my life away through a contract. You know what they say, it sure is strange when where life takes you. So what are we doing again? We're looking for Basil or something, right? Yes, that's right, Cal. We're looking for Basil. Do you think Basil could be somewhere in the last resort? No way! Basil wouldn't be caught dead here. Does he seem like the type of person who would enjoy things like this? I don't know, does he? Why don't we just go around and ask anyone if they've seen him? Good thinking, Cal. Though, I guess we are pretty far away from home. I don't think anyone here would know what he looks like. Oh, I have an idea. Why don't we all draw a picture of him? Maybe people will be able to recognize it from the drawing. You two are full of good ideas today. That sounds like a plan. Cool, I'll start. What is that? It looks nothing like Basil. Basil's hair is more like this. No, wait. That doesn't look right either. Either. Hey, what are you doing to my masterpiece? Why did Basil have such a big nose? Alrighty, let's see how we're doing. Yeesh. Is that really what Basil looks like? I can't look. Pad drawing in the pocket, nice. Well, that didn't go so well either. Don't be so down, Aubrey. We can just go look for Basil ourselves. Yeah, I hope we're okay. There's plenty of places we haven't looked yet. Why don't we start searching around the depot? You can get there pretty easily by taxi. There's always one in the front. There's always one in front of last resort. Okay, so now we can actually leave. We can talk to this man. Oh, I got my characters. To Pool Noodle. Hey, you kids, I introduced you in a pool noodle. In this pool noodle. It looks unassuming, but it has the potential to be a very powerful weapon. Even knowing this, I'll basically give it to you for the cheap price of 5,000 clams. That price you'd basically be stealing from me. What do you think? No. Oh, I see. But this pool noodle is so rare and valuable. You must consider it. What if I make the deal a little sweeter for you and drop the price to 2,500? How's that sound? You want it? No. You still don't want it? At that price? Okay. I'm really cutting corners here, but here goes. Get ready for the deal of a lifetime. 1,000 clams. Take it or leave it. You're a one tough cookie. How about 500? No. 250? You know what? Fine. I don't even know why I'm trying so hard. If you don't buy the pool noodle, then just take it. Just get rid of this thing. I never want to see it again. Brad. Okay. Now, there's a couple of things we gotta do before we continue through the story, which I just want to do because I didn't know these things actually really helped us out a lot. But one of them is going here. Well, I knew this one. Basement. Which is the only part we didn't go, but we needed that pool noodle for something a little special. Oh, we can't talk to him. That stinks. So this is like the break room. Take it easy. We ain't gonna fight you. At least not while we're off the clock. Our stocks are falling. I mean, rising at an alarming rate. Pineapples. I'll have all kinds of pizza. Fish taco. Yo! I swear, if the next guy to leave, leftover fish in the microwave is gonna cure it for me. Hey, everyone, pizza. Taco Burley. You know, I've been feeling a little offensive lately. I got the need to make something big, something amazing. I want to make the biggest, baddest, and most ultimate weapon there is. My only problem is that I am lacking inspiration. What I'm looking for is the perfect material to make the ultimate weapon. Something pliable yet sturdy, and yet perhaps a bit buoyant. If you can find something like that for me, I'll definitely make the ultimate weapon for you. That right there, that shape, that texture, I feel inspired. This pool noodle is exactly what I'm looking for. I can definitely make the ultimate weapon with this. Yes. One moment. Feast your eyes on this. Got the cool noodle. Yes, behold, the cool noodle is in all of its majesty. The cool noodle's power is not something to be trifled with. Only the most hard-headed can wield it. Although it is insanely strong, it is still very beautiful. The craftsmanship is what really makes it stand out. Yep, I've really outdone myself this time. Okay, thank you later. Last one. Okay, so now we got the cool noodle, which just does way more attack, which is just awesome. I just love giving that Omori. We don't have it yet. Okay, I think it's not here exactly here yet, but it should be coming later. We ain't liable if anything goes missing in these lockers. Leave your valuable to home people. Okay, so there is this. Oh wait, melon. Punching bag. Oh, I know. The punching bag is like something to make you angry, which is rad. So we're gonna go to floor 1. Nope, I hit floor 2 like an idiot. Oh my lord. Nope, go to floor 1. Yeah. Okay, now we're back. And there are a couple things that we gotta do. Like, we're gonna do the Ghost Quest party real quick. Oh, we're gonna progress a little bit, but there's like 3 things we gotta do. We gotta progress to just meet some of the bit of the story. Do this little miniature side quest that just gives us good amounts of money, because I just want money for Rococo. Back at the cart castle, which we gotta go check on too, but we gotta also grind for money. We also have to do the quest. Find the quest, find a joke, find these faces, and find these gold doors. And I know there is a gold door right here that will type Hero, because here's the negotiator. Oh hey, it's this place. You guys wanna get in? Mr. Charleston told me the password once so I can complete one of his errands. I love these guys, they're loads of fun. What's the password? Hey Hoagie, it's me, Hero. The password is... it looks like it's 7 letters. I want to say it's sandwich, but that's 9. That's not at all. Hero, my man, welcome. Doors unlocked. Come right in. On in. It's redacted though. And you can talk to all types of people. That's awesome. Make yourselves at home, kids. Any friend to Hero, any friend of mine. This atmosphere is top notch. I bet Ruben makes some good fruit juice. Cup sandwich is a level above the rest. Ruben and Hoagie are changing the game. Pick. Oh, space boyfriend this, space boyfriend that. What about Sprout Mike? Oh man, he got left down here. Poor dude. Me and Hoagie are the owners of this joint. He's the muscle, and I'm the muscle. Let's go. So you can actually, if you lounge with your friends, you'll get 5 juice every time. And it's pretty awesome. Like how Omori's the closest pulled up. Hero and Kel clink glasses and drinking. Oh no, Hero's a glass, Kel has a soda. And he's on cardboard blocks and obviously talking. But, watch. Everyone gets 5 juice. Every one of these gets 5 juice, which is awesome. The jukebox, there's no songs available to play. But we can also be Hero for this too. Hey bros, you all enjoying yourselves here at Club Sandwich? I know, I am. My friends told me that I'm a good judge of character. Yeah, I can see it now. You, there, in the striped suit. You know what your problem is, bro? You're just way too nice. You can insult your friends, and insult your mom, and you still want to lay a finger on me. Isn't that right, bro? So now what, bro? You're just gonna take that? Nah, you can't just let me slide, bro. I don't know where this is, but this is like, I swear to God, I'm not crazy, but this game released in 2020 predicted this 2022 meme of, nah, bro, I personally won't let that slide. Like, I swear, I see people say that all the time, but it wasn't recent, like last year, only this year. I just find it funny. It feels like it's a 2020 meme, but it's in 2022. Give me a good punch, bro. Go on, do it, bro. I like the punch is scared, bro. Go, Hero. What was that, bro? You wouldn't be holding it back on me, would you? I probably want to do something like that. Try again. You can do it, bro. I like the punch shit, yes. You're getting 20 attack. Bro. Yeah, bro. Just like that. Yeah, bro. Just like that. Is he dead? No. Also, Hero's now attack is 20 up, which is awesome, because I actually didn't know this until my second playthrough, and I was messing around. I was like, that is such a strong thing that you need to do that I just did not know, and I feel like an idiot. Okay, here's, I think the pink here. It looks like a bird. Original Space Pirate. It looks like this happened to Space Pirates originally. Yo, we can have a picnic now. Yes. Need a new dialogue this time. So Omori, what do you do when you're waiting for us? Oh, nothing out of the ordinary. I say hello and try to make a small talk with the folk who pass by. That sounds exhausting. I can't small talk at all. Alright, tell us who's the most interesting person you come across. Well, let's see. Around this area, I typically see cranky tourists and gator guys. Gator guys are a little rough around the edges, but once they open up, they'll share just about everything with you. They're even nicer than most of the tourists. Yes, I agree. All the gator guys I've met have been really nice to me. They are? They're always treating me like I'm in trouble or something. Let's see, what else? Ah, come to think of it, I do remember a chronically unlucky fellow named Snaily. I used to see him wandering around a lot. But the one time he tried to walk up to greet me, he suddenly fell into a hole and I never saw him again after that. Boring! Next. Nice. Snaily gets bullied all the time, bro. Okay, now we can switch to Omori, because these are some things over here. Bottled water, nice. Oh, there's about my mic. Beach ball. Okay, I do need to look up this. Just looking. Okay, yeah, we're fine. But Kel, Beach Ball, has better attack and better speed, which like we lose like, oh god, we lose 50 juice from that, but like we need it for the rabbit. Hey, it's you again. You're the one who gives the black belt for Rosa. What do you want now? Shitty mole, up to no good again. I presume. Gasp. You misunderstand me, child. If anything, I have more of a good Samaritan type. Hold on. Trying to look. Here it is. Okay, I'm just looking at where these things, looking at where these things are real quick. This, okay, I see Berg. We had to go find 4 of them. I don't know about that. Even here, I'll even prove it to you. Would Shitty Mole tell you incredibly helpful and vital information that can change your life? I think not. Okay, we're listening. Glad I got your attention. Now, word around here is that clams will soon be obsolete and replaced by new and better currency called clems. According to my trustworthy sources, This change can potentially happen at any time and will render all your claims completely worthless. You wouldn't want that to happen to you, would you? Well, yeah, that would really suck, right? But here's the kicker. Once I heard about this, and secretly stocking up the new and valuable currency called clams. Being the good Samaritan that I am, I would gladly trade them all to you in exchange for your clams. Wow, really? You do that for us? Cal, don't listen to him. This is beyond shady. This is criminal. Aubrey, didn't you hear? They're about to replace all clams with clams. What are we going to do when we have no money? What do you think, Omori? Should we change it? Yes. Excellent. You won't regret this. Thank you for all your clams. Now, here are some clams in exchange. Currency of the future. Omori, why did you agree with Cal? I'm pretty sure this isn't even my money. Please enjoy your clams. Now I must go aid others who are in need of the clams. Toodles. I did this and I was like, oh, what? I was so shocked because I'm an idiot. Yes. I did this like an idiot and I was like, what? I was so confused. And I realized, oh yeah, that gave me an achievement, but it gave me an achievement. Yeah, it gave me an achievement, and I was like, huh? So I had to revert back and save because I felt stupid. This lane's carpool only, kid. Come back when you'll get friends. You really have 3 friends? Alright. Let's get a move on, people. Ooh, there's a ladder there. Underwater highway. Oh, there's a submarine. Nice. Okay, here's a Pluto transport station. That's good to know. Oh, wait. Sweetheart. What? Oh, Jocelyn loans? Yo! He's a loan shark. That's funny. Hey, isn't that Sweetheart? Hey, Sweetheart, remember us? We were the kids that almost ruined your wedding. What? You 4 again? Why do you keep showing up? So, how's married life treating you? Ha! Married life is a joke. I had a relationship with that pitbull excuse of a cat a long time ago. What? Your wedding was literally yesterday. Oh no. Does that mean you and Spaceport husband are... he's space expert for all... Yeah. He's space ex-husband now for all I care. Ouch, that poor guy. Alas, my journey has run full circle. It is more obvious to me now than ever that my perfect suitor does not exist. Don't say that, sweetheart. I'm sure your soulmate is out there somewhere. Oh, my sweet hero. How I've longed for your voice. But no, I must refrain. I've already decided my path. I'm searching for a suitor. It's much too old-fashioned for me. So I decided that I will simply just make one. What? Make a suitor? Is that even possible? By other people means? No. But a wealthy person such as myself does not abide by such rules. I'm going someplace only filthy rich people like myself can afford, to a family of sea witches that specialize in clients with special demands. Toodaloo, peasants. I'm late for my appointment. Oh man. So, should we follow her, or what? I feel like every time Sweetheart shows up, something bad happens. Yeah, when it comes to disaster, she's in a league of her own. Okay, well, let's try. Hey there, good chums. Pleasure to meet you, Cha-Cha. So, you kids want access to the toll road? Well, sure. But while we're at it, let's make this a little fun. Why don't you spin the wheel? Why don't you spin this wheel for me? 627 claims. That's someone's lucky number. This will be the price for your toll. You gonna pay up? I can't. Aw, come on. Don't be so stingy. I don't have any money, so... we got robbed, so... we got a clam. I like slicing cones. Okay, let's continue our journey here. There's a melon. Oh, there's another melon up there. Get the muscle out. I want to say it's a mussel. Maybe it's a muscle. Noise, bro. Oh, he's already dead, bro. Omori went nuts and he's like, oh, he's dead. Oh, okay, we got a shucker. I don't know what that is. Oh, I know it's a weapon for hero, but I never understand why. Oh, okay, so we actually have more attack with this, but less health, which honestly we'll take. Because I actually didn't use this. this frying pan gives you so much hearts. Snacks will restore more heart in battle. Yeah, that's probably why I used it, was wooden nuts. I kind of want to use a shucker now. Pineapple juice. Slicing cones down. We do gotta fight the sea rabbit though, because we hate bunnies. Fish bunny, die. Woo! 227, let's go! Oh wow. We're just nuts. They don't stand a chance to us, bro. Let's go this way. Stolen furniture and miscellaneous things. Wait. There's those furnitures. Okay, what's in the cave then? Oh wait. Shady mole. Eek! Oh, we're fighting Shady Mole now. Level 78. Woo! Dropped a bed? Unkel, bro. There's. Woo! 177 hero? Woo! Oh man, we're actually not. See a beatdown. Nice. 102, 111, 80, okay. 158, yo! Drop the bet on hero. Let's go, 128, 118, 111. Shady Mole out. 5,000? Let's go! Now we'll, ooh, last resort. And dazzle. Okay, let's go check out what those two are. Yay! We got our money back. Inner tube. What the heck is an inner tube? Okay. What is the inner tube for? I don't remember that in the first. Huh. Makes swimming easier, yet harder. Defense increases with more energy. Ah, interesting. That's actually really strong. 5 luck. So we have 5 defense there. She has 6 defense. Kel has rock, which is 4, but he gives it buff to all his other stats, so I like keeping with that. And then hero has plus 7. Pretty great. Skills. So Aubrey got last resort. Deals damage based on Aubrey's heart, but Aubrey becomes toast. Oof. Actually, I've seen the move happen. It's really cool, but I don't want to use it. Okay. He has dazzle. Attacks first, reduces all foes' attacks and makes him happy. But it's just healing items are so good I can't get rid of them. Got ramen. A bed. Otherwise known as a better exhaustion destroyer. What does this thing do? He's just chilling. These guys are insanely weaker than I thought, so. 153, nice. Cool. 130, 76. There it is. Well, I'm just getting like, I'm looking at all my, for some reason I have so many bookmarks, and I'm like, huh? Well, that actually looks really cool. Okay, anyways, just real quick about what hero can talk to and get free stuff. Oh, Cheese Wheel would have been so nice. Oh, and the nerdy glasses from the Raisin dude? I don't think this is so nice. What? Wait, Ruben 4 times and... Okay, 5,000, that's really good though. So we gotta get something, because I like getting all items. So let's head back to the... There's a Raisin dude that we can talk to. There's a Raisin dude we can talk to a hero at the very back, at the resort. And he'll give us... Yeah, grab it there. Give us the money, give us the experience, please. Yeah, there's a, where's the, I think I have the wrong dude. There's a dude that we have to talk to, a hero. Yes. Because there's, I forgot, there's like, I knew there was a lot of things, and this was, the Elderwater Highway just gets even more that you could just talk to. And there's a lot that we missed. A couple in the Orange Oasis, which I don't want to go back because they're just like it's 2 food items. But I like, but like then there's one with like a little bit of money. There's one that gives you an item. Other stuff gives you toys, money, other things. Only like one thing in Orange Oasis is actually really nice, which we'll do later, and then a bunch of it's for later on the Underwater Highway. But we got to talk to this raisin dude for some reason. So let's go find the raisin dude. Hero. Oh, there he is, up to the right. This dude. Goodness, is that really you, Hero? You got me out of like a huge rut when you helped me file all my taxes? I honestly don't know how I could have done that myself. You truly saved my life. Take this gift. I owe you to you. Nerdy glasses. Go forth, Hero. Be forth the accountant you've always meant to be. Okay, so Hero got nerdy glasses. Well, we all got them. Like, what do they do? Defense 5 hit rate. Ooh! That might actually be really good for Omori, because he has the same defense level, just... Yeah, we'll take some seafood to kill. Yeah, because he has the same... He has the same amount of defense, but he doesn't have a hit rate. He has hearts instead. They're pretty rad, too. But let's continue our exploration of the deep well. Yes, I'm ready. Okay. Boom, 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 boom. I do want to fight. I just want to get XP and cash right now. Ooh, there's 2 of them. Oh, a miss. That's so good. Oh my lord. I think that was the angry one too. I don't know. Playing this like for the 3rd time and seeing like the follow-ups, because you just get stuck seeing this one. At this part of the game, you can't improve your follow-ups any better, so you're stuck seeing this one. So seeing the previous 2, like the one before this one, I felt natural because we spent so much time with it. But I forgot the effects that this 3rd one has, as well as some of the voice lines. Because remember you can do better than that, and I'll show you. I remember that, but I don't remember the watch and learn or something. Whatever they say now. But it was just interesting seeing the different parts. Okay, we won again. 600 XP. We're gonna kill rabbits, bro. I mean, we need a lot of cash. That's the thing. Here's like Aubrey. I was like, huh? Omori. When I hear a joke like construction, I'm still working on it. Excellent, you record the joke in your joke. Okay, so that's the one that we got to record. For that one, for one of the side quests. We'll go down here. Kill this rabbit. We just gotta kill rabbits. Or bunnies. I keep calling them bunnies, in quotes. Okay, so he should be dead. Cool. We can continue on our journey. Our XP levels are so wonky because they just... Break. Pineapple juice. Go fight this dude. Oh! Ouch. That's a hero. Okay, attack it down. I think I might kill that. Oh, never mind. I was thinking the right one's gonna die. That's a lot of XP. Yo! Now we're all 31. Get this clear. Switch to Omori. We got watermelon juice. We just got a lot of juice for some reason. Hey, look at Snaily. He's finally back, bro. Friends, it's good to see you. Lovely weather, isn't it? You look very strong. I want to become strong, just like you. You help me train. Yes. I'll do my best. Well, my first battle. Here I come. This battle is actually a lot longer than you think. I thought he had like no health and I was scared I was gonna kill him, but then I looked at him like, no, he actually has 0 health, bro. Cause I just guard, like I literally had to think Omori attack and like everyone else guard, so I didn't see his health that much. But he actually has battles are harder than they look. I gotta try harder. Woo! 140. There you go. 188, 181, bro. Okay, Omori. Okay, please stop. This isn't enough. Wow, you really know your stuff. Let's talk to my cards. Here, this coffee. My friend gave it to me. You got coffee. I will now go into this dangerous looking cave to train my mind and body. Next time we meet, I'll be much stronger. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff in this cave that we gotta explore. We're here because you didn't want to play the toll. You're the third group I've seen this week. Going on this way is kinda inconvenient. But at least you get to hold on to the sweet, sweet claims. You won't want to pay the last toll though, trust me. Air horn, okay. I don't think he's gonna live from this. If he did, he's gonna get sliced by Omori. We're making good money and good claims. Well, good money and good experience, that's what I want to say. This is reverse one. Oh, wait, who is this? Oh, these dudes! I forgot about these dudes. Okay, then we gotta fight the thing that's moving around a ton. 151 and 159. Come on, please kill it. Bruh. It's not dead. Thank you. Now Hero can't kill it. Yeah. Nope, he's not even that low. 130. Dang it, Kale, wow! Dude, Kale's hitting all the heart shots right now. Now he's dead. 2,800. Oh god, the reverse mermaids. 134. Oh, he's already dead, wow. That's only 1, 2. Omori, okay. 127. Giving in lies, weakness, greatest hour. Okay, I think it's giving up lies in... Oh god, what the heck? Giving up in weakness lies our greatest. What the heck is that line though? What's that supposed to mean? Okay, reverse mermaid's dead. Gotta do... Ooh. We're on level 32. Pineapple juice. Got 1 clam. There's an astronaut. Why did I say astronaut? I meant scuba diver. I'm such an idiot. Damn it, I was expecting to see some light sea life here, but I wasn't expecting this. I mean, we're underwater too. Got 1 clam. So it's gonna cost you, let's see here, 627 things. Yes. How's one more spin for good measure? Excellent spin, buddy. Your total's not too thin. That's good to you? Yes. Now here, hold on here a second. That numbers aren't adding. Maybe we get no. Shame. If you don't spin, you can't win. Well, out of 2 now. Yeah, I'll keep talking to him because I want to see if there's actually a way I can get past. It's Melon 2. Catching and raising fish is my hobby mine. I pass the time moderately rewarding. Fish, but only the bones. Fire. The fire is wet, yeah. Fishes, fish falls, fish oil, fish goes now. Full of fish bones on the We're leaving. So let's. Okay, we gotta get this melon first off. Lemonade, thank you. Now let's go talk to this dude and see what. Okay, we got, yes, I want to pay him. Hold on a second, so the numbers aren't running up. You're gonna have to spin again, yes. Excellent spin, buddy. The total is 9,000, yes. Hold on 1 second, the numbers aren't running up. Let's spin again. How we have a winner. 2,600, we gotta take it. I'm actually gonna take it because I wanna... That's what I like to hear. Nice to do business with you, suckers. That's fine though, because I needed to open up that door anyway. Every time I came in here, it always got stuck. So you want to open the gate, huh? So you want me to open up the gate, huh? It would be my pleasure. It only costs 2,000. Kids sure are smart. 2,000 clams is steal. It's stealing candy from a baby. Honestly, I don't care because I just want to open these up. Because my first playthrough, I was just like, you get stuck navigating the tunnels forever and ever. It gets annoying. You're just like, dude, can I just pass through? I should probably heal Hero before anything else, though, too. What's up here? Another clam. Oh, melon. Oh, there's a thing in it. Okay. Oh, shoot, they're both angry, bro. 116. 203. 983. Okay. 119. Okay, dead. 137. Oh, lordy! That was not expected. Now we should be dead. Thank you. 4,200? Okay, everyone's down level 32 again. That's what I hate when you separate from your friends. The levels are off, and I hate seeing the levels off. You got dynamite. Don't look at me, I'm hideous. Okay, then. Okay, wait, there's a deeper well part. There's a deeper cave part. Oh. There's your climber training. I've been here, it's just a bunch of sounds. And some of them are really funky, some of them are really dumb. It's just a waste of my time. We've been over here, but I don't think we've been all the way down here. Ah, there's 2 melons. Ooh, whiff, thank God. They're actually really strong. For how much they don't have any health for, they're really strong when they actually punch. It's really annoying. 130. 126. Okay, victorious. 2,752. 2,752. Yeah, I said that right. Full pizza. Let's go. Ah, man. I'm tired of the shark thing, bro. 191. 143. 147. Please die. Thank you. Okay. 117. Hero's gonna finish off. Okay, thank God. 108. He's not dead? Well. Now he can be dead. No, yeah, he should not have left that. 3,500. We get a lot of experience though. It's annoying and tedious. Fish taco. Okay, then. Isn't that camp? Why is it in the ocean? Oh, computer part. Okay, I got trash. I like getting trash. Yeah. Dang, allergies are terrible right now. We got a gold watch. Yo! Wait, we already have 2 of them, right? We got 2 of these gold watches, I think. Nice. Now we have drip. Got a rain cloud. Okay. We gotta kill some muscles now. Which is just gonna be this spinball thing and then we're dead. Cool, they're out. 2,522. Okay, 33 and 33. Cool. Nothing there. Oh, out of cave. I don't know how that physically works. How we're already underwater, yet an umbrella can fly her across. That makes no sense. There's snaily, but I actually want to explore what's down here. Oh, there's a farm. There's a farm that will be level riding. The water here is a bit warmer than it is in the cave of the mountains. And I heard that if you talk to here with all these people right here, you get a lot of stuff. Cool bike. Yo. Well, is it a bit hero? I've been looking at your page since you found and returned my stolen bike. You're a cool guy here. I'm seriously the coolest. Here's a gift for cool people like you. Maybe cool glasses. Nice. Go for it, hero. Be the justice you're always meant to be. What are the cool glasses, though? Attack 5, defense 5. That's pretty good. So here, you come to say hi to the group, eh? I see the whole world, the world's a whole lot different since you taught me how to read. Here's the book you used to teach me with. I've been through it tons of times already, so you can already have it back. Potion, nice. Education, that's what what's irreplaceable, man. What's up, hero? I've been thinking about you every day since you helped me save my family's restaurant. Take this, my guy. It's my family special. You gotta try it. This bandana and give you a whole chicken. Go forth, hero. Be the blessing you're always meant to be. Well, I'll be. I didn't expect you to see you again so soon, hero. Only got out of the hospital since you helped me recover from my surgery. I stole this from the hospital, but don't tell anyone. It's for you. Gave you milk. Thanks. Go forth, hero. Be the support you were always meant to be. He gave us stolen milk. Bah, I must have left my smoke sticks at home again. I keep plugging these holes, but they keep coming back. Move along with this here. No problems over there. I'm getting paid overtime for this. This time is longer than I thought it would be, but now it's going to be a walk back to the start too. I'm going to keep going. So I'm back at 8,000 again. This is terrible. Hi, I'm Sadie. My sisters and I started this cafe together, but since the claims have been tight, a lot of my sisters decided to start working at the last resort. There's just me and my sister Elena left. I wish they would come back here. I would do anything to hear them sing again. Annual Deep Well Show Choir Competition. First place award for the Pit Stop Pirates. Welcome to the mustard sub. How am I to order? We have some of that. I'll take a couple more tasty sodas though. There's 3 orders. I don't know. I can ask. Okay, so you want orders now? These space pirates are going away. To all those lost lovers out there, this one is for you. Why? Why the garbage mixtape again? You want to dive with your friends? I do want to dive with my friends. I like how everyone's just chill and relaxed, but Omori is always, like, holding himself. Yeah, there was a noise, though. Oh, it's Space Boyfriend grabbed the mic. I was gonna go sing off to the side. That gives full health. And so, I think what we're gonna do is that we're gonna... So we gotta go back. Where's the Pluto thing? Should be right here. There we go. Yes, I would like to wait for Pluto. Everyone's strapped in. Yep. Yeah, we want to go back to Firefly. We gotta go back and do a couple of these things. We want to go Firefly. We want to go Firefly, yes. Got it. Just sit back, relax, enjoy the ride. And since we've done so much for the underwater highway, I think we're gonna call this an episode. So thank you guys for watching this another episode of Omori, and please stay tuned in for part 23.